Story goes that every generation has one. Some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Hello. Alright, so you find me leaning on the Triumph Tiger Rally Pro, and I'm out here in the wind because we've got a couple of new little bits. So we've got a Triumph, little official Triumph tank pad, which is going to go on sort of right here, and this piece of plastic made by Pyramid Plastics. They make huggers and all that sort of thing. And with the Rally Pro, there's one area that they skimped, and it's this. And all it is just going to protect the shock absorber, the rear shock absorber, from all the crap that I intend to cover the bike in. And obviously it all flings up from the back wheel, goes all directly onto the shock absorber. So this piece of plastic that costs, I don't know, just under 40 quid for a piece of plastic, will protect that beautiful white shock. So let's have a look where it goes. So the place in question is, this is obviously the back wheel. All the shit gets thrown up onto the shock absorber there. So this piece of plastic comes in just there, and it sticks on the inside there. You have to get some hardcore sticky bits, and I've got them, some gorilla stickers, and yeah, it just protects that little beautiful white shock there from getting covered in all that crap. So it's pretty good. So it's worth, you know, just under 40 quid to get it on there. And the other piece goes there. So it's an official Triumph tank pad for this particular model, and it goes just there. Small hugger, mini hugger, secured. So I secured it with some Gorilla tape there, double-sided, and if you can see it, that's where it is. There we go. So you just see fixed in there. Needs to set for a while. Just let it stick on. It's all been cleaned up with alcohol wipes, so it's super clean. So it should get a good stick, a good adhesive stick to it. So yeah, there we go. 2 extra pieces to make this thing a dirt devil. The 2 mods done for today. So tomorrow I might actually ride the thing. It's super windy today, so there's actually warnings up for wind, so you don't really want to be riding around in that sort of stuff, not, you know, if you can help it. So tomorrow we're going to go for a little ride, and what I want to do is go down to where part of the TET, the Trans-European Trail, starts. So it's about an hour away from here, and I know I've got street tyres on. Haven't got knobblies on, or 50-50, you know, mixture, mixed tyres, you know, tarmac and dirt and mud. But I want to go and have a look, see how this bike responds even with street tyres, because I'm going to be changing the tyres soon, but these are brand new tyres, so I don't want to change them just yet. So yeah, going to go down and have a little smash about as much as I can on the Tet down near Effingham. So tune in for that.